We use there is when we are talking about one thing or a singular noun. There is a pen in my pencil case. There is a dog in the park. We also use there is when we are talking about uncountable things like water, milk, money, or happiness, for example. There is some milk in the fridge. There is some money on the floor. You can't say a milk or a money, so it's uncountable, so we need to use there is. We use there are when we are talking about more than one thing or a plural noun. There are 2 children in the park. There are 2 pens in the pencil case. Let's see some examples. There is a car in the garage. There are 2 books on the table. There are 2 people here. There is happiness in the world. There is a new movie at the cinema. There are many football fans. There is a lot of time. Now we are going to do a test. There a new student. There is a new student because there's only one student. There a lot of sadness. Sadness is uncountable. You can't say a sadness. So it is there is. There some milk. Milk is uncountable. You can't say a milk. So we say there is. There many t-shirts. T-shirts is plural. So there are many t-shirts. There a broken pencil. Pencil is singular. There is a broken pencil. There some juice. Juice is a liquid, so it's uncountable. There is some juice. There a potato. A potato is countable. You can say 1 potato, 2 potatoes. So it is there is because there is only 1 potato. For more A1 grammar videos and easy English listening practices, please subscribe.